guys, welcome to volume 7 of our 71454 series. All right, so it's we have played different bass lines, and we are mostly going to be focusing on the melody. All right, so I've given different bass lines. All right, so you can choose any of your choice. All right, is it this one? So I'm going, most of the times I'll just be using a simple bass line for now. All right, so this the one. If you've not watched the volume 1, you have to watch volume 1 to understand this bass line here, guys. Very simple. All right, so I'm going to go on the right. So to play the right, we play something like this, or you just play. So the so you see there's a difference there, but it's the same thing. All right, so it's 5 5 4 5 6 5 6 3 5 6 5 6 5 5 6 5 3 5 6 5 3 2 6 6 1 4 4 3 4 3 2 4 3 2 4 3 2 7 7 1 5. I do it slowly. Or you just do it fast like. It's either you do like this, or you do, or you do 6 6 5 6 5 6, or 6 6 6 6 5 6 5 6 5 5 6 5 6, or faster like that. Alright, so when you combine it I'm gonna do it slowly. So you go to 1 4 5 4 4 5 and 4. Alright guys, so that's it. Alright, I hope you learned something, guys. Please do it to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.